Hi, ni hao.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
First of all, tell me your name.
My name is Danial from China.
From China. Okay, which type of stall you are representing here?
Yeah, sorry, I don't know.
Which type of stall and which product you are launching here?
My company's main product is fertilizer, seaweed fertilizer.
Fertilizer. Okay, which type of fertilizers you are using here?
Every groups can use this product. Seaweed fertilizer, bioorganic.
Bioorganic. What's your name?
My name is Anixoi.
From
China.
Why are you here?
Because China and Pakistan had a good relationship, and China is developing one belt, one road. It gives us good opportunity to come here to open the Pakistan market and cooperate with the Pakistan company.
Okay, and which type of stall you are here? Which type of things? What are these things?
This is fertilizer, seaweed fertilizer. This is a new fertilizer and a new biostimulant fertilizer.
Why should we use these products?
Okay, this is organic fertilizer. Now, in China, in the last 20 years, China used too many chemical fertilizer. Now, China's soil become very hard. So, and it let the people now start to use the chemical fertilizer and biofertilizer to ameliorate the soil.
Did you get any good response from Pakistanis?
Yes. The organizer and your people give a big support for us. And your people is very friendly and nice.
Is it your first visit in Pakistan?
Actually, no. It's my second time.
And what about Pakistanis? They are good, humble, or what?
Sorry?
What about Pakistanis? Few lines for Pakistani peoples.
Pakistan people is very friendly, and especially to Chinese people. I love Pakistan. Thank you.
Okay, Pakistan.
巴基斯坦真的吧？